Hello and welcome back to our English learning series. Today we have a new story for you. Are you ready to practice? Let's begin. Alex walks into a small coffee shop. Sophie is sitting at a table reading a book.
Good morning. Is the seat taken?
Good morning? No, you can sit here. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. I'm still waking up. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh, that's too bad. Did you have a lot on your mind?
Yeah, I was thinking about work and errands. By the way, I'm trying to improve my English. Could we chat?
Sure, I'd love to help. Let's start with some common phrases. You know, instead of always saying, "How are you?" people usually say, "How's it going?" It basically means the same thing. And another one people use a lot is, "What have you been up to?" It just means, "What have you been doing lately?"
Great. I use "how are you" a lot, but "how's it going" sounds more natural.
Alex and Sophie leave the coffee shop and walk to the park.
It's a beautiful day. I love the fresh air.
Yes, it's perfect for a walk. Sometimes a walk helps you clear your head.
Clear your head? What does that mean?
It means to relax your mind and stop worrying about things.
That's useful. I usually stay at home when I'm stressed. I should try walking more often.
Absolutely. By the way, have you ever run into someone unexpectedly?
Yes, last week I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket.
Exactly. Run into means to meet someone by chance.
They sit at a table outside a cozy restaurant.
Are you hungry? What would you like to eat?
I'm not sure. Maybe a salad. What do you recommend?
The grilled chicken salad is very popular. I suggest you give it a try.
Okay, I'll give it a try. Also, can I ask something? How do I sound more natural when speaking English?
One trick is to use expressions like, "I'm looking forward to it." When you are excited about something, "I'll keep you posted." To tell someone you will give updates.
Ah, I see. So if I'm excited about a weekend trip, I can say, "I'm looking forward to the trip."
Exactly. Also, don't forget to ask for clarification if you don't understand something.
Good idea. Sometimes I feel shy, but I should ask anyway.
Alex and Sophie go shopping in a local grocery store.
I always get confused here. There are so many options.
Don't worry, just take your time.
Okay, I'll take my time. Should I buy fresh fruit or frozen?
Fresh fruit is always better, but frozen is convenient. You can mix and match.
Mix and match?
Yes, it means combining different things that go well together.
Got it. Also, I sometimes run out of milk at home. It's frustrating.
Run out of means you have none left. Don't worry, we'll get some.
After shopping, they walk back to the bus stop.
Thank you so much, Sophie. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Yes, I'll try to use these new phrases every day.
That's the spirit. And remember, if you hit a snag, don't give up.
Hit a snag?
It means encounter a small problem. Learning English can be tricky, but keep going.
I will. See you next time.
See you. Take care.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Errands, small tasks you need to do. Unexpectedly, without warning. Clarification, explanation to understand. Frustrating, annoying. Convenient, easy to use. Spirit, your attitude or energy. New phrases. How's it going? Casual greeting. Stay focused. Keep your attention on something. Clear your head. Relax your mind. Run into, meet by chance. Give it a try. Attempt something new. I'm looking forward to it. Excited for future. I'll keep you posted. Give updates later. Mix and match. Combine different things. Run out of, have none left. Run out of, have none left. I'll keep you posted. Give updates later. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.